The request page is one of the places where service desk agents spend most of their time in Hornbill Service Manager. Whether someone's working on an incident, service request, problem, or another request type, they all share the same layout, making it easy to work with any request once you're familiar with the page. Let's take a tour of the different areas and see what each one is used for. At the top of the page is the request header. On the left, you'll see the unique request ID, prefixed according to the request type, such as IN for incident or SR for service request. Beneath it is the request summary, making it easy to identify what the request is about at a glance. On the right are several actions that are always available. Administrators can configure custom buttons to perform actions, such as opening an external link or triggering an auto task. The Raise New button allows you to create a new request immediately or choose a specific request type from the drop-down. Alongside this, the Action menu provides additional options, including copying or printing the request. Directly below the header is the Workflow Tracker. This provides a visual representation of the request's progress by displaying the workflow stages and checkpoints as the request moves through its lifecycle. Beneath that is the Request Actions toolbar. This contains the actions available for the current request, such as adding updates, sending emails, attaching files, assigning the request to someone else, and more. The actions available here are determined by the service and request type, so the toolbar only displays the actions that are relevant. Running down the left-hand side of the page are the main working areas of the request. The Customer section displays information about the person the request was raised for, and below that, the High Overview automatically generates a summary of everything that has happened on the request so far, helping you quickly understand its current state. The Details section displays the information captured when the request was logged, including the fields and answers collected through the Intelligent Capture form. Further down is the Timeline. The timeline is an interactive record of the request, capturing every update, discussion, workflow event, and activity from the moment the request is raised through to its resolution. On the right-hand side is the Information panel, which brings together the key details of the request. The coloured header identifies the request type, while fields below display information such as the assigned team, owner, status, priority, category service, and service level agreement. From here, Configure Notices allows notifications and alerts to be created for the request, while Take Ownership immediately assigns the request to the current service desk agent. This is also where the request's current status is managed. Depending on how your environment has been configured, this may include placing a request on hold or selecting from the available substatuses. These options work alongside features such as service levels and request substatuses. Further down, the Activities section brings together any tasks and authorizations associated with the request, whether they were added manually or created automatically by the associated workflow. The Members section allows you to involve other Service Manager users when additional expertise is needed, giving them full access to the request. Below that, email contacts group together the relevant recipients, making it easier to send emails without repeatedly entering email addresses manually. Finally, the timesheet records the time spent working on the request, helping track the overall effort invested. So that's the request page, and the request page brings together everything in one place, giving service desk agents all the information and tools they need to understand, manage, and progress a request from start to finish.